Prashant Kumar versus the Union of India for the appellant P. Sanjay Kumar.
May I please, my lords, the writ petition was dismissed on the ground of vague and no quiet evidence was available on record.
State has filed counter?
My lords, he has not denied the annexure 2, page 20, my lordship, of the writ brief, my lords.
What is page 20?
Page 20 is the letter of my lordship, Directorate General of Police, Headquarters, New Delhi, and my complaint was entertained. It was found true.
What is the allegation?
Allegation I have, my lordship, that I made complaint against the officials. They are misusing the power and they are indulged in the corruption. Therefore, I intimated to the CBC. CBC directed to the Director General of Police, DG Headquarters, Delhi. He hold inquiry. In the inquiry, it was found that my allegation has substance and there is a allegation level against have been established. That is page 20. And
No,
28, my lords,
No, in your departmental inquiry, this document was there.
Beg pardon, my lords.
You are subjected to inquiry, no?
I was subjected to just I made complaint.
Correct, sir. You are subjected to inquiry, departmental inquiry.
My lords, against me.
Correct.
My
In
lord.
that this annexure 2 was part and parcel.
No.
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 No, correct. This is required to be taken into consideration.
In counter, it has not been also denied these two documents, my lords.
No, his case is that he has given some complaint against his superiors.
टाइम ही लेना होगा सर टाइम में फ्रेंड को वकील इवन एक
To
ही
the pendency of that, he was subjected to inquiry. That but outcome of the vigilance has not been taken into consideration.
You filed a counter?
Counter affidavit has been filed, my lord, but the Council for the Union of India has not come to the court, my lord. She is suffering from viral
Is he
fever.
Union of India?
Yes, Union of
CRPF.
matter of CRPF, my lord.
Cat matter.
No, my lords. CRPF is the force matter, my lords.
Correct. Then
Yes, my lord.
who is the disciplinary authority? Who is the disciplinary authority?
Commandant, my lords.
That is sixth respondent.
My lords.
The counter affidavit filed on behalf of the respondent of 1, 3 and 8, my lord. 1, 3 and 8.
Huh?
The counter reply has been filed on behalf of respondent number 1, 3 and 8, my lord.
No, the disciplinary authority, let him file.
Commandant, respondent number 6.
That matter has to go before one single judge. Why it has been listed here? Dismissed.
Where is your application before CBI authorities?
CBC, the annexure 1 of the writ brief, my lords, 1, 4 and 6, 3, 4 applications mark. Page 18 of the writ brief, my lords, it is in Hindi. Page 18 is the first.
That is before CRPF Bihar sector.
Yes. It is first to the department.
Any complaint before the investigating agency, along with all the documents, supporting documents? Any complaint, proper complaint as has been stated by the learned single judge, that your complaint is vague. Any complaint along with all the documents before the
My
investigating
Lordship,
agency.
kindly see the last representation, that is page 30, annexure, page 29, हुजूर देखा जाए.
Against CRPF.
जी, CRPF को ही पहले हमने दिया है, तो उसको हुजूर जरा अब फिर
When
उसके बाद.
CRPF is not listening, according to you, you should have moved before a proper investigating agency.
I have.
To decide whether asking them to pass orders in this case. You should no, there is no documents along with this manager
No, if you are not produced any materials before the authority, how do you expect?
My Lordship, kindly see page 32. Just a minute, my Lordship.
Huh?
Page 32 of the writ brief, last page, my Lordship. They have not called for me, my Lordship.
Then you need translated copy. My brother will
हम
be
हुजूर
having
दे देंगे.
problem.
आई विल प्रोड्यूस. इसको हुजूर सेकंड पैराग्राफ हुजूर दे दिया जाए, देख लीजिए. महाशय मैं उपरोक्त आरोप बिना सिर पैर के नहीं लगा रहा हूं. इससे संबंधित मेरे पास
No,
पुख्ता सबूत ऑडियो.
You show me one incident with the material information.
माय लॉर्ड, वही तो हुजूर हम प्लेस कर रहे हैं. हमारे पास वीडियो है, इससे संबंधित मेरे पास पुख्ता सबूत ऑडियो वीडियो इमेज के रूप में, जिसमें मैंने कुछ को मैंने सीडी में भेज रहा हूं, शेष से सबूत में जिसे मैं डाक से भेज दिया हूं.
Yes, what do you say? We'll give direction. He will. We'll ask him to furnish fresh representation along with the material information,
my lord, the
My
counter,
lord.
including video clipping.
the
or
video,
whatever it may be.
the CD and all was verified, my lord,
Huh?
and the CD and all was produced by the appellant was
What
verified.
you write
Where
a
is the
report.
order?
You write a report.
But it
and
was
present.
found baseless, my lord. In fact, my lord, he is in a habit to.
All right, sir. You take a decision.
3
and
cases
present
has
it.
been filed, my lord.
Take a fresh decision. What is wrong in
So, my lord, let the Council of the Union of India come, my lord. So,
No, why he should come? Who is the authority to take action in terms of petitioner's request? No, vigilance department. No, vigilance. Yes.
Have you made a vigilance department of the CRPF party?
My lord, CBC, I have made party CBC, Central Vigilance Department.
Respondent number two.
My lord.
respondent number 2 is the party, my lord.
Where is your representation before the CVC?
That is, my lord, in the another file. इसमें नहीं है हुजूर, लेकिन हमने
So we'll
authority.
give direction to file a fresh petition before the CVC in New Delhi. Let them take action.
My lord.
Please take the instant petition. Petitioner has desired the order of the land single judge to stop. The petitioner's grievance before the land single judge is as under from writ petition, prayer, whatever. The land single judge has rejected the petitioner's petition as under. Extract करो. To stop. The land counsel for the appellant submitted that he had made number of complaints before the authorities against his superiors. There was no action to stop. Thus, he had preferred a petition to stop. For usal of annexure A8, we find some material which was relied on by the petitioner insofar as investigation by the concerned / competent authority against petitioner's superiors to stop. However, material quoted in Annexure A8 is insufficient. So also, such a complaint is not before the second respondent CBC, New Delhi. Therefore, the petitioner therefore, the learned single judge has erred in not noticing the contents of Annexure A8 and inaction on the part of the respondent to stop. Therefore, we find that appellant has made out a prima facie case so as to interfere with the learned single judge order dated so and so, passed in so and so. Accordingly, it is a set aside and appeal stands allowed in part. The appellant is hereby directed to furnish a detailed representation to CBC, second respondent, along with material information. If the petitioner, if the appellant has any video clipping or such other material, in that event, he is hereby directed to furnish in the form of what do you call? CD, in the form of CD to stop. If the vigilance authority feels that some assistance of the petitioner appellant is warranted, in that event, before taking any further action by the CBC, the appellant may be summoned for assisting in the investigation. Full stop. The appellant is permitted to furnish a fresh petition along with material information within a period of 8 weeks from today. On receipt of petitioner's representation / complaint, the CBC second respondent is hereby directed to take a decision and communicate to the appellant within a period of 6 months from the date of receipt of the petitioner's complaint / representation along with the material information. CD / pen drive